Today's webinar is all about school to career. Right now, you are in school, and you are going to decide your career path today. Now, what is career? Now, we think career as a job. We just to earn a money, and job is a means to earn that money. And we consider career is that only, like to get a good job and to earn a good money. That means you have done a good career. That is what the typical definition that we have about career, but it is not so at all. Because this career, no, word career has got many facets, many aspects to it. See, even if you earn money, you may not be happy. And if you're not happy, that career is of no use. That's not, we cannot call it a career. See, whatever profession that you take up, whatever job that you're going to take up, you and the end outcome of that is happiness. We want to derive happiness. We are all human beings. So happiness is the ultimate thing. So whatever thing that you do, and if you're happy, that means you have a successful career. That is what my definition of a career is. And I hope most of the teachers over here would agree to me. And most of, if you ask your parents also, they would agree to it that yes, the happiness is the ultimate thing. No doubt you need to have enough money to fulfill your basic needs, but beyond that, it's a happiness that is very, very important. While you're studying also, if you're deriving happiness out of it, that means you're enjoying the process. And the heading also includes one title, the other title called Find Your Colors of Life. And particularly, if you see on the right, you could see some kids over there with the colors in the hand, and then the professional on the left hand side. It's Holi approaching, so it's a festival of colors. So definitely we need to find, now today's webinar, let us find colors of our life. This girl looks pretty happy with the colors on the hands, and the professional too, if you look at her, the happiness is clearly visible. So let us take our journey ahead. Let us see how can we can be happy as a kid, and we can be happy as a profession as well, which is nothing but the essence of our life. So let me take you to the next slide. Before we begin, now let's clear some misconceptions on decision making when it comes to choosing a career. Now, when it comes to choosing a career, typically what happens is, how do we select a career? We look around, we see some people, influential people in our family. Parents tell you, look at her, look at your uncle, look at your elder brother, cousins, look what they're doing. They're abroad, earning a lot of money. You should also do the same thing. So let us see what are the misconceptions. People think, students think that uh, my choice doesn't matter, only my 10th result will decide my career path. This is misconception. People think if I score 90%, if I score 95%, okay, I'm going to take such and such course. Science, typically students go for, those who get higher marks go for science, they go for science. And then people, those who are in the say 70s, 80s and 90s, they think, okay, I may go for science or I may go for commerce. That is my choice. And those who score the less, they usually go for arts. This is what is traditionally happening. So people, they are most of the time they're relying on their 10th percentage than their choice. They say choice is secondary. The percentage is what matters, and it's going to decide my career path. Okay. Then there's one more misconception. They say, some students say, my parents and teacher will decide what is right for me. They will choose a career for me. Then some people say, I can just follow my best friend's choice. If my best friends are taking up this particular course, I would definitely be. I have seen so many students, they leave a good, they don't take up a good, they don't avail a good opportunity in some good college just because their all other friends are going to some XYZ course or XYZ college. So that is what the friend, they let the friend decide their career choice. And here comes the next one. Just to prove that you're superior, some students choose the popular subject और बाद में पछताते हैं. We have this conception, no? IIT. Okay, IIT is something very great. We always, right from the beginning, we Indians are very, very, we get easily impressed with when we find some IIT and talking to you, And what happens? People study for IIT entrance exam, JEE, right from 8th standard. Probably most of you also must be studying for IIT entrance exam. You must have already enrolled to Resonance or the Allen or all XYZ quota coaching classes. So, and then what happens? You probably don't get that AIR 100, AIR 200, AIR 500, and then you may not get computer science which you want or some other things, and then you end up taking IIT, going to IIT in some other course which you may not want to do it probably, but just to get that IIT tag because it's very popular, so you take up that thing. Or other way around, you may get the highest rank and you may, like, your liking maybe say computer science, or your liking maybe some other subjects in biotechnology, but you take a computer science because all others are going to the computer science, then that is also a wrong thing to do. So that is a misconception. Just to prove yourself superior to others, if you make the wrong choice, then that happiness thing which I mentioned may not come to you. You may get bored soon once you start working. And the last one, I cannot change my plan of career development once I have made it. This is also a misconception, because I have seen many students getting depressed, getting frustrated once, like, they take up science, they take up arts, whatever branch they want to after 10th standard, but after 2 years, after 3 years, they feel frustrated. And they say, oh, I made a mistake. Now I cannot change it. My life is going to be waste. No, nothing like that. You are just like, you are just 16, 15, 16 years old, and you are in a transition phase. What I am going to tell you in this webinar, just take it as a reference. Okay, उसके ऊपर confirm उसको seal मार के उसको confirm मत समझना कि यही चीज है, नहीं. It is just a transition phase. So whatever choice probably you would find that this is suitable for you, after a few years you may think of, depending upon your experience, you may think after a few years, no, I want to change my choice. You can do so. Okay, there is no decision called as wrong decision. There is no choice called as a wrong choice. We are human beings. We always make a choice which we feel is the best suitable thing at that particular time. So remember this, dear students, there is nothing called as wrong choice. Okay, हम लोग जो करते हैं ना, उस स्थिति में हमको जो बेस्ट लगता है वो हम करते हैं, तो आगे जाके उसको इम्प्रूव किया जा सकता है. ओके, सो फ्रस्ट्रेशन, डिप्रेशन, ये सारी चीजें, ये नहीं मुझे मार्क्स नहीं आ रही है वगैरह सारी चीजें, यू कैन. एंड टुडे इन फैक्ट आई विल आल्सो invite one of our ex-students who is an engineer working in a Wipro, and she has been a top model as well. So it's nothing that, like, you have made a choice of doing engineering and you cannot pursue your passion. So we can do that. I have so many of examples to support my claim. Okay. So before we begin, again, as I told you, find a support partner. It's very important to have a good support in terms of your teachers, in terms of experts like us, and your parents. So you should have a support with whom you can discuss. They can listen to you, can give you good advice, but the decision you will have to take. Okay, it's always good to have support partner. Find your dream. That's very important. So I don't know how many of you consider yourself as a dreamer, but yes, सपने देखने चाहिए, और सपने कैसे देखते हैं उसके लिए भी एक तरीके होते हैं. एक्चुअली सपने कैसे देखते हैं, अब्दुल कलाम साहब ने कहा था, राइट? सपने वो होते हैं जो आप दिन में देखते हो, रात को देखते हो, वो वाले सपनों की मैं बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. सपने वो होते हैं which you dream while you are awake during the daytime. So those dreams I'm talking about, it's very important to see dream, work hard for achieving those dreams or the goals, and go ahead, move ahead. So let us give you a brief introduction कि जो हम career journey अपनी होती है, which are the factors, what are different factors which affect our career journey, okay? So let me tell you about this. What are the factors? If you look at yourself, or if you look at if you talk to your dad or mom who are if they are working professionals, or if you talk to anybody who's working professional, will tell you कि कौन कौन सी चीजें उनके करियर डिसीजन पे रोल जिन्होंने रोल अपना निभाया है करियर चॉइस में. So what are the things those actually contribute to your decision? Influence of a parent or a role model. Okay, always we look up to our parents, what they are, what profession they are into, and then somewhere down the line we feel that yes, I want to be like my parent, or say role model. If Kalpana Chawla is your role model, if Neil Armstrong or whoever in the space domain, if they are your role model, you would like to be a space scientist. Likewise, role model or hone chahiye role models. Okay, it's always important to have role models around us. Then the type of personality that you have decides the career. Now, यहाँ पे there's a problem. People don't know what kind of personality that they possess, that they have. So today's exercise will be to identify what kind of personality that you have. Unfortunately, in today's time, we are so busy in so many things that we give so less time to understand ourselves. You know, if I ask you to talk about some XYZ film personality, you would talk for hours. I would even talk for hours. But when it comes to you yourself, hardly few lines would be able to describe. That is the case in most of the students. Okay, that I have come across when I ask somebody to introduce themselves. So it's very important to understand the personality. Then the childhood interest like drama, music, or sports. Till now, whatever you are interested in will definitely somewhere or the other will affect your career choice, will play a major role in deciding the career. Okay, then the subjects you are good at or enjoy at school. Think of it. Now we are going to do that exercise. Think of it. कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है था जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा और लगता होगा, will definitely decide the career. Type and the quality of education that you receive. ये तो बहुत important है. Your parents have tried their best to get you into the good school, like St. Peter's. Obviously, that's the best school. This is the best school you have in the area. So definitely they have done their job. And now teachers are doing their best to give you best of best education. And that is why probably we are here delivering this talk, you know. Otherwise, we wouldn't have been there. We just told sir, your management, that yes, we want to guide students in this and we want to share the thing, and they agreed. That means they are definitely giving you best of best things possible. So it is very important to be in good education and good institute. Just because the building is good, the infrastructure is good, everything is posh, you can't take admission over there. There has to be the education, the quality of education matters the most. The kind of faculty that they have matters the most. So you should look at that. Why students prefer IITs? Why students prefer government colleges? It is not just because the fees is less, but it is mainly because the kind of education, the kind of legacy that they have. So when you are going to make a choice after 11th, 10th standard, कौन से school में admission, कौन से college में admission लेना है, do look at these things, like what kind of legacy, what kind of teachers that they have, and what is their credentials will matter a lot in deciding your career. आप अगर अच्छे कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेते हो, there are good companies, those who come to that college for placement, and you get a job easily. If you are getting into some college which is not that good, doesn't have good reputation, companies don't go there, and you don't get good job. So it matters the most कौन से कॉलेज में आप एडमिशन लेते हो, कितना, ऑब्वियसली नाउ द परसेंटेज मैटर्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू एडमिशन टू द कॉलेज। सो आपको अच्छे परसेंटेज 10th में लाने हैं तो 11th में या डिप्लोमा में या कहीं पे भी जाओगे आप, आपको अच्छा स्कूल मिले। Then also it depends upon after school job. Now till now you might have not done any job, but usually abroad people start working after 18 years. They take up some odd job, and some of you also would take up, some of you would take up summer jobs during the summer breaks and all. And these summer jobs, this summer internship teach you a lot. You understand things better and you are in a better position to judge whether you would like to go into such and such field or not. So do take up summer jobs. अभी then 10th की एग्जाम होगी, समर जॉब नहीं बोलूंगा मैं, समर इंटर्नशिप होगा एग्जाम होगी, हो जाएगी 10th की, दो महीना छुट्टी होगी आपको, 1 महीना छुट्टी जो भी आपको मिलेगा, बट try to get the insight of some of the other jobs by doing internship over there. 15 दिन की, 1 महीने की इंटर्नशिप अब जरूर करना, छोटे मोटे कोई भी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हो जरूर करना, तो you get a feel, you get to know so many things, and that will help you in deciding your career as well. Your grades in the high school, yes, this matters, like that whatever your parents and teachers were telling you right from the beginning, that come up with a good marks, it's because if the marks are good, you are going to get the field of your choice and the college as well. So definitely marks matter the most, matter when it comes to admission. Okay, marks don't matter that much once you come out and start working, but yes, marks matter when it comes to admission. तो उसके लिए तो marks चाहिए आपको. इंटर्नशिप एंड अप्रेंटिसशिप, मैंने जस्ट नाउ अभी कहा, योर ग्रेड्स एंड जीपीएस इन द कॉलेज. अभी आप स्कूल में हो, कॉलेज में जाओगे तो वहाँ के जो ग्रेड्स है मिनिमम 60% तो आपको होने ही चाहिए, ताकि आप इंटरव्यू के लिए एलिजिबल हो जाओ. ओके, योर फ्यूचर फाइनेंशियल गोल्स ऑल्सो डिसाइड द करियर, then work-life balance, where you are now and where you want to be. So many factors. Let us not go into much details, because these are the things definitely going to play an important role in deciding a career. Now, this is the roadmap. What you're going to do? We are going to understand ourselves, understanding self. Then we will see what opportunities are available for us. If I'm good, if I'm very athletic, if I have a good build, if I can play most of the outdoor games well, then definitely the opportunities would be lying in this field. And remember, my dear students, वो जमाना गया जब कैसे होता था ना, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर्स, these are the only, or probably add few more professions, and these are the only opportunities only are there, not this way. आज there are number of opportunities in every single field, but you need to identify those opportunities and match those requirements with your skills. If you can do that, sky's the limit. No more like engineers now can work in various fields. Let me tell you, even if it comes to music, and if engineer goes into music field and does something, they will excel in that. Engineers can be into graphic design and all. Engineers can be in multiple things, because everywhere now there is a technology involved. तो ऐसे नहीं है कि आपका जो स्किल है, if your basic liking is singing, and if you take up engineering, you cannot relate this singing and engineering. ऐसे नहीं है आज के जमाने में, पहले ऐसे नहीं था. आज technology plays very important role in each and every field. And if engineer can take up singing, then definitely he can create more opportunities there. So I'll come to this point later. So exploring opportunities, वो important है. Opportunities are diverse. Only thing matter कि आप कैसे उसको explore करते हैं. Making decisions comes next. Action plan उसके बाद में आता है. Action plan पे अमल करना, actualizing plan, and then reflecting on self and outcome. So in short, if I have to tell you, the very first thing that is important in deciding कि कौन सा career is understanding self. Okay, then opportunities. आजकल आप YouTube पे जाओ, आजकल आप Google पे जाओ, तो आपको बहुत सारा knowledge information मिलेगा. Knowledge नहीं मिलेगा, information मिलेगा. Okay, how to convert that information into knowledge, it depends on your capacity, depends on guides like us. And using those things, you convert that information into knowledge and explore the opportunities for you. Then you make decisions and then you form an action plan. It's very important, step by step. देखो, 1 घंटा हमारे पास है. I cannot explain you each and everything in detail, okay? But I will give you opportunity to take part in more and more such seminars before you take admissions, more and more exercises, workshops, which will be conducted by us, by getting in touch with us after this seminar as well. And I'll definitely, cover most of the aspects and see to it that in this coming 2 months, you'll be able to make a good career decisions. And remember, everything, we are not going to charge, like we are not professionals which are into career counseling. We are all faculties of government aided polytechnic called PV Polytechnic, which belongs to SNDT Women's University, which is 106 years old university, founded by Maharshi Bharat Ratna Dhondo Keshav Karve for women's education. So with the noble goal of women's education. So we are not here from any professional organizations with the intention of making money or anything like that, but we are committed because we take ahead the legacy of SNDT Women's University, which is a public university and the government university, what we call it as. So I promise over here that we will do that hand holding till you get into good college, till you get into good course, and even after your graduation, we'll keep on guiding you. We do it for all our students. They, even after they graduate, we keep guiding them. They keep coming to us for the decisions, for consulting, and then we do guide them even after they graduate and even after they become professional. Okay, so we promise that hand holding here. Now let us. This is a time for exercise, doing some exercise. अब बहुत हो गया कि मैं बात किया, अभी आधा घंटा 20 मिनट तो हो गए, एंड थोड़ा सा लिथर्जी आ जाता है, सिर्फ सुनते हैं. तो लेट अस प्ले सम गेम. ये गेम ही है, थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज है, सो दैट यू विल फील एनर्जेटिक एंड यू विल गेट अ फील दैट यस यू हैव डन समथिंग. ओके, सो लेट अस गो इनटू दिस रूम कॉल्ड एज honeycomb room. Okay, it's very interesting. Honeycomb room. Now this exercise will tell you about yourself, will guide you. You will be able to find what color going to play very important role in deciding your career. Color and the personality trait. Okay, अपनी व्यक्ति वैशिष्ट मराठी में जिसको बोलते हैं, उसको इंग्लिश में पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स बोलते हैं. तो दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सरसाइज व्हिच वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले do will give you insight about your personality, will give you insight about what type of career is suitable for you, and then you decide. Now let me make one thing clear कि this is just the reference. Okay, मैंने पहले कहा है, you are just 15-16 years old, so don't take it for granted कि यहाँ ये ऐसे ही होगा. It's a transition phase, but what we are going to do today will definitely help you to decide 11th में आप क्या करोगे, या फर्स्ट ईयर डिप्लोमा में आप क्या करोगे, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट लोगे. All these things at least you'll be able to decide. So let us do this exercise. Keep pen and paper ready and pay attention to the slide. Okay, now this is a honeycomb room, and which has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 hexagons. Okay, so we have identified area in the room, 6 hexagons, and I want you to join any of these 6 groups of students having a particular characteristics. Okay, each honeycomb, each hexagon में ना students है जो एक particular characteristic दिखा रहे हैं, and you want to join that group. Now you will have to mark there which group you would join. Okay, so I start with R. ये R जो corner room का है, that is R stands for realistic, and it is of the red color. Okay, now students over there are athletic. They have mechanical ability and prefer to work with machines, tools, plants, animals, and they want outdoor activities. If you feel that you are of this type, who have good mechanical abilities, like to work with machines, आपने कभी वॉशिंग मशीन खराब हो गया वो खोल दिया उसको रिपेयर किया, साइकिल का कुछ खराब हो गया तो साइकिल को रिपेयर किया, कंप्यूटर में if there is something you repair that, or you have good athletic kind of thing, like you play outdoor games and all. So you are in this particular thing, realistic or red color. Okay, would you like to be among this kind of students? Just consider and then decide. Okay, then I, orange color है, I वालों, okay, investigative type personality है. Students who like to observe, investigate, analyze, evaluate, or solve problems. If your personality is like this, you can go well along, or you can be in this particular corner along with these students. Students who like to observe. How does this thing happen? How does that thing happen? What makes this thing so good or so bad? Kind of questions if they come in your mind. If you try to find out the reasons by analyzing things, why the color of the sky is blue, why, how does, like, what is that, like a smell that when it rains for the first time, how does we get that particular typical smell? पेत्रीचोर बोलते हैं उसको, एक टिपिकल वर्ड है उसको, जो मृदुगंध, मराठी में मृदुगंध बोलते हैं, जो मिट्टी की खुशबू होती है ना पहली बार बारिश गिरती है, वो कैसे आती है, क्यों आती है? इन्वेस्टिगेटिव टाइप, यू एनालाइज, ये ऐसे क्यों हुआ, वैसे क्यों हुआ. ओके, दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सनालिटी. अगर आप इस टाइप के स्टूडेंट हो तो आप आई वाले हेक्सागन में जाओगे. Then there is a yellow. Students who have artistic, innovative, intuitional abilities and like to work in unstructured situations using their imagination and creativity. Your school must be having conducting various functions, कभी competitions, कभी art mela or annual social gathering, and you like to take part in those things, elocution competition, essay writing. There are so many competitions that go on, right? If you're of that kind of students who like to take part in such activities, okay, drama, singing, then please consider yourself, go and take your place there in that particular corner where A is written and the color is yellow. Usually schools में होता है yellow house, green house, red house, like that way. So you are in a yellow house, okay? Then comes S. S stands for social. Students who like to work with people, to share feelings, help, train, develop, and cure them. कभी कभी होता है फैमिली में कोई बीमार पड़ता है, तो आप में से कई स्टूडेंट होंगे जो स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे लेकिन उनकी सेवा करेंगे हमेशा. उनको अच्छा लगता है, वो कभी पपी देखा रोड साइड में, उसको कुछ लगा हुआ है, तो then they take that puppy home and then they take them to the veterinary doctor and get it treated. Then always in the helping kind, like these such kind of people, they always would like to help others. So think about yourself. Are you of that kind? Are you like in your friends also? You can ask like, do you consider me as your friend? No, friend का definition क्या है? जो help करेगा, सब हमेशा अपने साथ देगा. इस type की personality. You like to share the feelings. You like to listen to people. If somebody is sitting in the corner in your class, all alone, looking very sad, then such people go to that person and ask him what happened. Can I help you, or would you like to share what is wrong with you with me? Probably I can help. If you're of this type, then please consider that your color is green. Okay. Then comes the blue. E stands for enterprise. Students who like to work with the people by influencing, okay, persuading, leading, managing for goals and economic gains. कई कई स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, मैं ये समर में कुछ बनाऊंगा, शायद बुक मार्क्स बनाऊंगी या बनाऊंगा, एंड आई विल सेल इट टू माय क्लासमेट्स, और आई put up an Instagram page on which I'll sell whatever things that probably I do. So always they are very enterprising in nature. मैं घर पे लड्डू बना के शायद बेचूंगी, say example दिया, don't laugh, but probably like whatever things that you do, they will always think how I can convert this into business, how I can earn money, or probably they start their YouTube channel and they start influencing. You have seen a lot of YouTube influencers, right? They influence, like we follow certain YouTube personalities. Say for example, Mumbaikar Nikhil, you must be following, some of you must be following Mumbaikar Nikhil, and you don't realize how many products that Mumbaikar Nikhil puts up, like advertises on each and every this thing episode. So that those people are called as influencers. Okay, so are you of that kind? Do people listen to you? Do you make other people listen to you? Then please gather in this blue house. Okay, and last comes the C. C stands for conventional. Okay, so people who like to work with the data, having clerical or numerical abilities, अच्छे से calculation कर लेते हैं. जब कोई सामान आता है घर में, तो इतनी बड़ी लिस्ट आती है ना, मंथली सामान आता है, तो आप जाते हो बिग बाजार में, आप जाते हो कोई दूसरे स्टोर्स में, and then you get so much big list, and some people look at the list and say, don't forget about it. Who's going to look at all things and going to calculate the thing? But such kind of people, meticulously, they will go through each and everything and calculate whether things are right or not. They pay attention to every single detail, and then they come out of the store. Okay, that is this kind of abilities. Numerical abilities, carrying things out in detail, following thoughts on instructions, following through instruction. कोई instruction देता है तो एक proper उसको follow कर देते हैं. और टीचर जब भी कोई मॉनिटर रहता है ना, टीचर ऐसे बच्चों को ज्यादा काम देते हैं, बराबर ये कैलकुलेशन करो, अटेंडेंस प्रॉपरली मेंटेन करना, ये करना, वो करना, बच्चों से ये करवा के लेना, वगैरह वगैरह. We identify such people and we give such kind of work to the such students. Teacher would agree with me that we like this such kind of students a lot. So now we have 3 and 3, 6 categories. I'll give you some time to decide where you want to be. आप अपने बचपन को याद करो, अपने को याद करो, स्कूल टाइम को याद करो, लेक्चर्स को याद करो, सब्जेक्ट्स को याद करो, और डिसाइड करना what would be your color of preference. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. What is going to be your color of life? What is going to be your color? Now remember, I know what question that you would be having in mind. मैं ऐसा भी हूँ, मुझे ये कलर भी अच्छा लग रहा है और वो कलर भी अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसी सिचुएशन रहेंगी, and that is but natural. Now whatever I have just now taught you is not my theory. Okay, this is a proven theory which I am going to. There was a scientist called Holland who has come up with this theory. Okay, so this is Holland's theory. This is called as Holland's theory of career choice, and all this psychometric or career test are based on these things only. Fine. तो आपको अगर दो लग रहा है कि दो choices है, तो उसको 1 and 2 में divide करना. The where you want to be there as the first choice, and then the second choice. So identify your choice. I'll give you 2 choices. कहाँ पे आप जाना पसंद करोगे? तो इसमें ये स्ट्रिप है RIASEC, और इसी नाम से ये टेस्ट जाना जाता है. ये एक्रोनिम है RIASEC. तो उस कलर के नीचे आप 1 लिखो, और सेकंड जो आपका चॉइस है उस पर 2 लिखो, और नीचे एंड यू राइट कलर. फर्स्ट कलर इज दिस, probably orange. Second color is the yellow. You write your color there. And meanwhile, I request Arvind sir to float that link of the form in which they are going to answer some questions based on this test which they are taking. Arvind sir, are you able to hear me, Arvind sir?
Sir, it is already there in the chat box. We have already posted that link in the chat box.
So that link of the form is already there in the chat box. I give you 2 minutes to fill that. It's very easy thing, and this is that link. We are seeking answers from you. कि पहला कलर कौन सा है, दूसरा कलर कौन सा है. Okay. You can take. I'll just little go further. You decide your color, and I'll go further, and then you fill that. Okay. Okay. So those who have first preference as red, realistic kind of personality. I'll not go into each and every section, 2 sections because of less time. See, those who have made this choice as a first choice, कौन से careers इनके लिए suitable है? Electronics engineer, firefighter, mechanic, laboratory technician, pilot, motorcycle repairer, or any repairing thing kind of thing. In this corner you can see examples of career opportunities. Okay, तो ये है, ये सिर्फ इतने ही नहीं है, जितने बहुत सारे हैं इसमें अलग अलग careers. तो पर्सनालिटी इनकी कैसी रहती है? प्रैक्टिकली रहती है, मैकेनिकली इंक्लाइंड, क्यूरियस अबाउट द फिजिकल वर्ल्ड, एंड फर्दर स्टडीज यूजुअली दे डू इट इन साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग. हियर यू कैन सी. So broadly, if I have to tell you, science and engineering is a thing for such kind of people, realistic. Okay, so you can pursue courses in science and engineering if you like so and so things, and if you come up with the color red. Next, investigative type personality. अगर आपका कलर ऑरेंज है तो you take up science, engineering and social science and become doctor or computer programmer, financial analyst, optometrist or ophthalmic technologist, and network system administrator, computer network administrator, network engineer. Investigative type, because all these things, all these professions require investigation. You have to analyze. You need to think and analyze and come to a conclusion, find out something. Because doctors usually do that, right? Investigate. Based on your symptom, they come up what is wrong. Certain computer system analyst भी वही करता है, ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट भी वही करता है, आंखें देखता है आपकी, चेक करता है, एंड देन कम अप विद कौन सी नंबर के ग्लासेस आपको पहनना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए. Investigative type personalities. Then comes yellow, artistic personality है, architect, designers, computer graphic designers and all, composers, music composers वगैरह, reporters, interpreters. Okay, एक language से दूसरे language में translators also, dancers, actors, all these people fall under this category. Arts and social science, you can do further studies. And remember, one thing is very clear. आपने एक नंबर और 2 नंबर आइडेंटिफाई किए ना, and that is the key. People, it is not in the, it is not nothing, it is not black and white. If this is the personality, you can become this and this only. Sometimes there's a combination of both. Some people, the second choice could be artistic, first choice could be investigative. तो वो इंजीनियर हो सकते हैं, at the same time आर्ट भी उनका अच्छा हो सकता है. So many actors, you know, they are engineers. So many actors, or doctors, for example. So many that doctors are artists. Similar, so that is what the thing is. So many players, Indian cricket team में there were so many players who were engineers. तो अनिल कुंबले हो गया, जवागल श्रीनाथ हो गया, केश कृष्णमाचारी श्रीकांत हो गया. They were earlier, अभी नहीं खेलते ये लोग, लेकिन वो सारे इंजीनियर्स थे. तो ऐसे कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकता है और होना भी चाहिए, ताकि कोई एक ही चीज अगर आप करते रहोगे जिंदगी भर तो आप बोर हो जाओगे. तो यू नीड टू हैव दिस मिक्स्ड पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स. सोशल, टीचर, पुलिस ऑफिसर, नर्स, सोशल वर्कर, टूर एस्कॉर्ट्स, psychotherapist, fitness trainer, these are of social kind. Now for arts and social science में उनकी studies होती हैं. So that is green color. Blue वाले enterprising होते हैं, business, their further studies will be in a business line. So this business typically you see those MBA degrees and all, वो डिग्री के बाद आपके बेसिक डिग्री होती है, उसके बाद MBA होता है. So people, those who are enterprising in nature, they go into business and take up business as the studies. Salesperson, manager, lawyer, tour guide, stockbroker, financial controller, PR officer. They're all business. They fall under business category. Okay. Still, you're very young, so you may not be knowing details. Okay, what exactly is this? What exactly is that? But at this particular time, you have identified your color. If it is a blue, okay, remember that the business is something that you are going to do suit you in the future. Pilot, conventional type. अगेन कन्वेंशनल टाइप भी बिजनेस रिलेटेड ही है, क्योंकि आपने याद किया ना, आपने बराबर रिकॉर्ड रखते हो, इंस्ट्रक्शनल प्रॉपर फॉलो करते हो, ओके, डिटेल्स की तरफ ध्यान देते हो. लंबा लिस्ट मैंने बोला था अपना बिग बाजार का सामान का, आप बराबर से देखते हो ना. दैट मीन्स यू हैव दैट बिजनेस माइंड. So accountant, financial planners, computer operators, secretary, clerk, receptionist, all these things fall under this category. Okay. You may wonder, no, receptionist क्या डाला है सर ने? तो हाँ, receptionist इतना easy job नहीं है. Receptionist का just हंस के good morning, good afternoon करना ही job नहीं है. Most of the things, because somebody enters in your company premises, the very first impression that he is going to get is of that receptionist. Okay. If she is or he is very, very bright person, then the whole perception or the first impression changes. Okay. Now, before going any further, please, I'll give you 2 minutes. Fill that form fast. I'll give you 2 minutes. Please fill that form fast. I want everyone to fill that form. Arvind sir, could you tell me how many students are there?
$74 students are there, sir.
Oh, that's great. And just keep track how many forms are being filled. Because a lot depends upon this form which you are filling. We'll come to know your inclination and we'll be able to guide you further. Because as I told you, ये यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं होगा वेबिनार खत्म हो गया तो हमारा काम खत्म नहीं होता है. We would like to, guide you. We would like to do this hand holding in future as well.